DOST-PCHRD, or Philippine Council for Health Research and Development. It is one of the three sectoral councils of DOST, a forward-looking, partnership-based national body responsible for coordinating and monitoring research activities in the country. And to tell us more about this agency, we have a special guest for today. She's a career executive service eligible, is a chemical engineering graduate from the Mindanao State University. She finished the academic requirements of a Master's of Statistics at UP Diliman, has an MBA from DLSU Manila, and is working on her dissertation for a Doctor of Business Administration at the same university. Moreover, she and her team pioneered work in technology transfer of products coming out of research into the commercial space. Most notable were Lagundi and Sambong tablets. And currently, she heads the research programs on ICT in health and biomedical devices. She currently co-chairs the DOST eHealth Technical Working Group. Mga ka-forever, please welcome Ms. Merlita Opena.
Magandang umaga, Jel, at happy
Monthly, yes.
DOSTv, I believe, is one of the important legacies of Secretary Montejo.
Yes, definitely yes, ma'am.
Level up na tayo.
Totoo, ma'am. Diba bago talaga tuluyang natapos yung termino ni Sir, eto na, DOSTv. And welcome to DOSTv. Ayan.
Thank you. Thank you for having us here. The PCHRD here in this program.
Ayun, talaga ma'am, ito talagang talakayin natin, palawigin natin, ano nga ba talaga ang PCHRD?
So nasabi mo na, ang Philippine Council for Health Research and Development. Isa ito sa tatlong sectoral councils within the DOST. So kung meron tayong PCHRD for agriculture or PCHRD for industry, energy, and emerging technologies, meron naman tayong Health Research Council.
So yun talaga. So ano ang mission or objective? Bakit nabuo yung agency na to?
Yung PCHRD parang in the early years of the science and technology community, fragmented kasing mga ginagawang research. So there was no unified national health research agenda. So everyone was doing what interests them, but not really aligned to what the health sector needs. Kasi kailangan po yung research nakatugon din po anong pangangailangan ng sektor sa case natin sa health sector. And then siguro nung unang panahon, the resources in general for S&T and health research was very low. Parang compared today, parang talagang napakaliit na mga resources noon. And then we also need to have critical mass of researchers. Kailangan po nating mas dumami pa ang ating mga mananaliksik. Kasi what would be the importance of if you have more money pero wala talagang gagawa, di ba? Yun ang critical po yun.
Kaya lang kasi to, talagang puro research lang. And then, on your part, lahat ba itong researchers ninyo, kailangan talaga you make it a point na ma-implement din?
Yung pinaka-importante po, yung we don't do research for the sake of research. Parang every research, dapat na naiisip mo na sino ang gagamit.
Correct.
So at the proposal development, iniisip mo na sino ang gagamit nito para even in the middle of the research or at the end of the research, may gagamit. Kunyari, kung if it is information or evidence for policy making, dapat mapunta ito sa Department of Health or sa DNR kung if it is health and the environment. So may gagamit. Or kung produkto man ito, like as we said, kasi kami nauna doon sa Lagundi and Sambong, ando na siya sa commercial arena, nagagamit na ng mga consumers. So technology should be parang beneficial to society, and in this case to the Philippine society.
Totoo. Talagang isa rin sa mga susi ng tagumpay, ika nga, ang technology, di ba?
Yun na nga po.
Kamusta ang research status natin dito with the terms to health?
Yung health research, nakikita ko kasi I've grown with PCHRD. Parang ngayon, mas lumawak na siya at nakikilala na yung talagang health research. At we have more resources now than before, and we continuously update our national unified health research agenda with the Department of Health and the Commission on Higher Education. So consolidated yung agenda. So if we have resources for research, kailangan naka-align ka sa agenda. Parang pag lumihis ka, parang hindi ka mabibigyan ng resources. At saka, meron na tayong 18 regional health research consortia. So, ang presence ng health research, hindi lang Metro Manila, kasi palaging kino-complain nila, Metro Manila-centric. So, meron tayong mga consortia sa regions, some of them going back to 1985, pero yung iba, karamihan, in the 2000s na sila na-form. Pero we have a presence in all the regions, kasi we want to have equity in the development of health research.
Ayun maganda doon kasi nga, totoo yun, sinasabi niya parang lahat na lang yata kasi nasa metro na no?
Oo.
Kamusta naman yung mga pangangailangan din ng mga lalo na mga nasa malalayong lugar, probinsya, etc. Hindi ba? Anyway, etong PCHRD, let's say kayo nag-start na way back.
Ako naman, 1984. I've been with the PCHRD since 84. Baka hindi ka pa pinanganak.
Baby pa ako nun, ma'am. Okay, pero syempre, di ba, iba't ibang challenges na rin kinaharap ninyo. As of the moment, ano na yung mga nalagpasan na natin, and then up to this time, ano pa yung mga hindrances na kinakaharap natin?
Siguro yung in terms of funding sources, medyo nag-increase na po yung funding sources. Siguro in the less than 10 years naman. Parang tumaas kasi makikita mo sa budget namin na napakaliit. Pero ngayon, we have parang sufficient resources to fund research. Ang pinaka-challenge talaga ngayon is to increase the number of researchers. Kasi like, if you talk about medical doctors, yung competition mo doon is their practice, di ba? Economic opportunities. Kaya mayroon kaming programa na may 6th batch na, yung MD PhD program na with UP Manila na meron silang degree in medicine, pero they have like a PhD in research. So, research track. So, parang we're aiming na these doctors are research-oriented. At the same time, we're also, kasi hindi lang na, ang health naman, hindi medicine lang eh. It also involves engineers, kasi sila yung gumagawa ng mga medical devices or social sciences. So, meron ding mga capacity building programs for those who will be doing health projects, health research projects.
Ayun.
Oo.
Sa ngayon, ma'am, ano yung top priority research project or development from your office?
Kasi meron tayong National Unified Health Research Agenda, NURA, kung tawagin namin. So every 6 years, parang align with the terms of the administration, we update this. So this one is due for updating kasi 2011, 2016 yan, di ba? So ang top priorities diyan, meron kasi it covers the health sector agenda. So merong healthcare financing, health services, socio-economic, environmental agenda, pero yung nakatoka sa PCHRD would be health technology development. So within the health technology development, meron tayong diagnostics, may genomics, meron ding genomics. Tapos meron ding drug discovery development, functional foods, hospital equipment and biomedical devices, at saka ICT in health or e-health.
At maganda to, no? Parang parang Biblia na ng
pinaka-guide po ng mga researchers.
So, yes. Ito maganda to. Ito ma'am, ngayon lang. Since 2011.
Meron tayong since 1990s, meron na tayo niyan. So, every 6 years, ina-update siya.
Ina-update lang, ina-develop.
Kasi may mga bagong developments Saka may mga bagong concerns na dapat i-address.
Ayun. Nagbibigay din ba kayo ng grants?
Opo, yun po ang buhay
Research
ng PCHRD, grants talaga. We don't do research as a research council. We give research grants.
Okay.
So along the areas na andito sa priority.
So paano mag-apply and paano magiging process nito?
Yung pag-apply, you can submit your proposal.
Okay.
Tapos, or right now we have developed kasi an online system. You can also update it, you can submit it online. So ang proseso niyan, syempre, pag natanggap na namin, there's an in-house review, kung naka-align ba sa agenda, technically feasible, or meron ba siyang potential for use, ganon. Or pagkatapos ng in-house review, meron pa kaming external peer reviews. Yung mga experts in the field, sila talaga ang nagre-review ng proposal. Then, kung nakapasa doon, in-house at external review, pupunta na yan for approval. Depende sa amount of money.
Ayun. Talagang masusi naman. Talagang sinasala ninyo.
Sinasala talaga po.
Ayun. As of the moment, up to this point in time, ano na yung greatest achievement ng PCHRD na maituturing natin?
Iba-ibang areas po. Kasi kagaya ng the mission kasi ng PCHRD talaga is to coordinate nationally the health research in the country. To make sure that health research are aligned to the agenda and they are of benefits to society. Siguro yung talagang nasa market na, yung Sambong at saka Lagundi. Commercially available na po yun since 1997. So, ngayon, mas marami ng companies ang nagpipick up ng, so it's a growing market for natural-based products. Tapos, ngayon, ang gusto naman natin na talagang in line with the objectives of the administration na talagang mga technologies na magagamit nationally. Like, nakikita namin yung biomedical devices at saka yung with the use of ICT, information and communication technologies. Meron tayong RX box. Siguro na feature na dito yung RX box na maski sa mga isolated communities, basta may internet connection lang, ay magagamit siya. Remotely, you can access an expert, di ba? So, parang nag-cross yan between biomedical device and ICT in health, application. Or meron na tayong partnership with the industry, private sector, yung knee replacement, na feature na rin dito. Yung access. So, parang that's a first na talagang we partnered with a private company na ang kanyang core competence ay yung manufacturing of biomedical devices. So, yan. At saka, yung dengue, na-feature nyo na ba ang dengue? Hindi pa?
Parang hindi pa, ma'am.
Yung dengue, kasi meron niyang for commercial na talagang mga diagnostic tests na mas mabilis mo nang ma-diagnose kung may dengue o wala. So, kailangan siguro ma-feature nyo yun.
Yes, ma'am. Kasi nga, sabi nga natin ng dengue, wala na pinipiling oras di ba?
Wala na po.
Noon, pag ang dengue daw, o yung mosquito carrier na dengue, tama ba? Oo. Hapon lang daw nangangagat.
Ay, wala na ngayon.
Ngayon, wala na oras na pinipili.
Kaya i-feature nyo si Dr. Audistura dito. Yun ang i-pipeline nyo.
Susunod na pagkakataon.
Yun yung mga actual projects talaga na parang nakikita namin nasa maano mo kaagad, maisip on top of the head, maisip mo. But on the other hand, yung building the system, kasi importante yung system, di ba? So, in 2013, Congress passed the law of the Philippine National Health Research System. So, parang, tapos designating the PCHRD as the secretariat of the system. So, parang ni-reaffirm lang niya yung aming mandate by this law. So, because the law is in place, parang madali mo nang makausap yung mga, like the Department of Health, they are engaging the PCHRD to help them run their research programs, or the CHED, or other partners. So, maganda rin yung na-institutionalize yung health research system. And within that, andun yung research agenda setting, and yung ethics in research, talagang importante na there's ethics in research. Lalo na kasi gagamit ng human subjects. At make sure na kung ano yung research ay magagamit. So, research utilization. So, andun din yung mobilize resources.
Correct. Yun nga kasi kailangan natin, di ba, yung other way nyo to translate research and then policy and then eventually magkaroon ng action.
Ganun po. Yung parang research will really benefit people. Or kung it's really for policy making, dapat yung evidence from research, yun ang gagamitin kasi it has been studied, di ba?
So, dito na, after that, yung implementation, merong ibang agency or office na
so,
nakatoka dito?
Opo. So, nasabi ko na po, yung PCHRD does not do research.
Yes.
So, we give grants.
Okay.
So, most of the implementation, yung actual na paggawa talaga ng research, ginagawa yan ng mga universities or mayroong mga special R&D institutions. Sila yung gumagawa ng research. So kung nabigyan na namin sila ng grant, na-fund na namin sila, ang isa pa namin ginagawa is monitoring.
Yan.
Kasi kung that they do what they have placed in their proposal. With technical monitoring as well as yung nagagamit ba yung pera to parang value for money in terms of
Yes,
the use of money.
Regularly, meron kayong mga pumapasok na data. Let's say, merong iba't iba na research, gaano karami?
Siguro yung mga proposals na nare-receive siguro in the mga 200 plus. Kasi
Dami.
dahil sa partnership na nabuo with the Department of Health. Kasi right now, the Department of Health, they are engaging us to run their research program. So marami yung mga health systems research na ginagawa. So yun, maraming pumapasok. So there's the evaluation process na marami ka rin ini-evaluate.
Oo.
At the same time, kasi we are a national repository of health research in the country, meron din tayong research registry. So lahat po ng newly approved at saka ongoing projects should be registered in the Health Research Registry. Para makita natin ano-ano yung mga research na ginagawa at saka hindi na ma-duplicate, di ba?
Yes, oo.
Hindi na
Yung iba kasi baka naman natitenga rin.
ano po yun
Ay,
na?
sabihin na parang na-store lang o parang let's say nababaliwala na rin yung mga nauna, ganyan. Paano natututukan lahat?
Yung mga natitenga, yun
Yes.
ba? Kasi sabi nga nila, yung research baka nasa shelves lang, di ba?
Yes, oo.
Yun.
Yun.
Kaya nga, parang kung na-approve na siya, ongoing, dapat malaman natin. Nasa registry siya na yan, may mga research na ginagawa. Tapos, kung yung research tapos na, dapat i-translate, sabi mo nga i-translate, kung itong evidence from research, i-translate into a policy sa Department of Health or other departments. Kailangan i-publish. Kaya we have to encourage our researchers to parang increase publishing culture. Kasi kung i-publish nila, mas maraming nakakaalam. At the same time, may track naman on technology commercialization. Kasi kung ito naman ay viable for a commercial product, dapat yung mga industries should be able to pick it up.
Yes, oo. Ayun, kasama kayo dyan. Tumutulong kayo sa proseso.
Tumutulong kami. In fact, kami ngayon siguro nag-lead noong technology commercialization sa DOST. So, from our lessons there, ngayon, nagiging institutionalized na siya sa DOST. Meron ng, parang we're encouraging na each university, magkaroon sila ng technology licensing offices. Ganon din sa ating mga DOST research institutions.
Ayun. Any more upcoming projects or meron kayong current projects from your office?
We are aligning our projects with the agenda, with the research agenda. And we are parang strengthening our research collaboration, not only within the country but internationally. So right now we have UK PCHRD joint collaboration. So as of last year at saka ongoing na this year, may 6 na projects na approve both by the Philippines and the UK counterparts. So our projects are not only within the country or within the regions, but where our projects are collaborative with international experts also. So nagli-level up na rin tayo. Parang yung research
Sumasabay tayo sa panahon.
Dapat. Tama. Sumasabay. Sumasabay tayo sa panahon. Ganun po.
Tama. Dapat the more na umuunlad tayo, hindi ba? Lalo ngayon, ma'am, syempre, of course, we have a new administration. You have mga naka-line up na projects natin. Although, nabanggit nyo na kanina yung mga challenges na kinakaharap ninyo ngayon. Ano-ano pa yung mga plano natin for your office?
Siguro kasi ang natin, we have increased the resources. We need to increase our critical mass of researchers. So, i-beef up yung natin, yung number, as well as yung quality of our researchers. Kasi parang we have an agenda, we have funding, but we need people to do the actual research. In the end, it's really the people who will do the actual research. Yun ang kailangan. Tapos, the private sector industry, maganda rin na mayroon silang research. Kasi right now, research is more government supported.
Yes.
Kasi like other countries, yung private sector industry, may sarili silang research sa kanilang kumpanya. Di ba? Sana ma-increase natin yung, yung the percentage of GDP natin, magiging, maka-benchmark tayo with, even with the ASEAN region. Kasi dapat 2% of GDP should be, parang for research. Right now, parang malayo pa tayo doon.
Malayo talaga.
Malayo pa tayo.
Sana
Yun
nga
ang
ngayon.
ano.
Oo, abangan natin ang pagbabago, di ba?
Oo.
Sana nga.
Change is
coming.
coming.
Any more messages po dun sa ating mga taga-subaybay?
Ano po, sa ating lahat po, we seek your support to patronize research, the results of research of our Filipino scientists. Gamitin po natin ito for policy making, for further research, at saka if it is a product, it's also good that we adapt it kasi we need more spin-off industries. Parang spin-off from companies that are built on technologies from research. Kasi parang doon nag-grow yung other countries, and I think we're moving into that. So we need the support of everyone here.
Yes, definitely. Kami at DOSTv, lagi kami nakasuporta sa inyo. Sama-sama tayo nga, tulong-tulong tayo, lalo na kung kauunlad nating lahat, hindi ba? At marami tayong matutulungan, marami makikinabang sa magandang adhikain natin.
Oh, tama ka dun. May tama.
Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
At marami
Jen.
kayong naibahagi sa amin. And good luck.
Okay.
More power po sa inyong office, and looking forward pa tayo for more projects. Diba?
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Ayan, thank you so much for sharing the projects of PCHRD sa amin. And we wish na sana nga mas lalo pang suportahan ng bagong administrasyon ang health research and development ng ating bansa. Kasi at the end of the day, citizens who are healthy and have positive well-being produces a healthy nation.